Allahu Akbar walillahil hamd. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah. They are Al-Quran memorizers. They are Al-Quran lovers. They are the big family of Bahru Sifa. Yes, elementary school of Al-Quran Bahru Sifa. Yes, and now we are together in what is it? In Pizza Hut Jember. Yes. So it's very lucky for Pizza Hut Jember. Pizza Hut Jember to be visited by Al-Quran lovers, by Al-Quran memorizers, and everybody who come here together with Allah, of course. Yes, it's very, what is it? Very surprise and very glory for everybody. Allahumma rahamna bil Quran. May Allah blessing you, may Allah blessing me, and may Allah blessing us. May Allah will always together with us, and may Allah will send us to paradise of Allah in the next of the living in the world. Is it alright? Back to Ustaz Supriyan.